Okay guys, today's video is sponsored by TOYO TRESS hair, and they are a cool company from Amazon, and they have the best crochet hair for crochet curly styles or passion twists. So today we're going to be doing some passion twists on my mom, and she has alopecia at the top of her hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look without it looking too thin in the front with this situation. Alright, so basically I'm just putting edge control on her hair. I'm doing her braid pattern, so I'm gonna do that. And if you guys haven't seen the way I braid, yeah, I braid funny, but anyway, I do have other videos with braid pattern tutorials, so just take a look. Okay, so now that I have the two braids braided at the top, then I'm going to braid them all into one at the back. That way it looks nice and neat, not too spacey, and they all look seamless. So I'm going to do that all over her head. Okay, so we forgot to get braid hair, so I'm just going to use some crochet pre-tress hair to add a little bit more weight to the braids at the top where it's really thin at. And with alopecia, you just want to make sure that you're being very gentle, not pulling too tight. And I'm actually going to use a net across the top of her head, so I'm not even going to crochet through the braid itself, just to make sure that there's not too much tension. We definitely don't want to do that, and crochet shouldn't be tight anyway. It should not be painful. So yep, I'm going to do that just across the top. Yep, so here is the braid pattern. We're all done, and that's what the top looks like. And now I'm just going to take a net and sew that net across the top of her head. And you want to make sure you don't do it too tight. Once again, we're going to be crocheting the hair through the net instead of on top of her hair or through her hair. That way it doesn't cause any extra unneeded tension. And also, once you start crocheting, I know you see that her hairline is kind of pushed back a little bit. We don't want the net to show, so we're going to cut the net by the measurements of her hairline so that that doesn't show. So right here you just see me cutting the excess around the back. And yeah, because we're not going to sew it down in the back. That's where her hair is pretty thick at. So we don't need cap in the back of her hair. And then too, you don't want to make it too full to where it's heavy. Because with crochet, you already have to do so much. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like taking it out. And it is super soft and lightweight. It's easy to use. And it's also very full. I only use one strand per each twist. And I know I usually have to use like 1.5 with other brands or 2. So yeah, you guys have seen me crochet before on Evonna. So I'm just going to pull the hair through, make the little knot, and twist away. And then with crochet passion twist, you twist, twist, pull, twist, twist, pull. Now with the bohemian hair, it's going to look more like just a more put together looking twist. Because the hair is not as curly. Like say for instance water wave or a different curl pattern. But I really think my mom likes this way anyway. So what you see me doing is going through the net. And I was having some problems at first, but I'm going through the net, and you're gonna pull through and do the same thing like you're doing in the back of her head. Pull it through and twist. And then where you started at, you just want to cut the excess cap that's in front of that so that you don't see that part of the cap, the net, sorry. So yeah, that's what I'm doing all the way through her hair. Nothing too special. And then you just want to make sure you fill in the gaps pretty good so you don't see the net. So this is the 18-inch hair, by the way, and it is ombre on the end. Again, I really enjoy using this hair. Not just saying that just because it's a sponsored video. This is really good crochet twist hair. Okay, so again, like I had mentioned, I'm going to cut the excess cap from the very top of her hairline so that it looks more natural. And boom, this is the end result. Again, if you guys want to see me crochet more, just go check out my other videos. Again, we love this hair. It is very nice and neat, very lightweight, very good vacation style, I would have to say. And my mom cruises a lot, so yep. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and peace out.